Hello everyone, welcome back to A3M Kitchen. Today we are diving into something super special, the one and only Mangalorean Crab Sukka. Now I won't lie, this one's not a lazy day recipe, but trust me, the flavors out of this world. Let's dive into the cooking process. We will first make the masala. For this, I have taken about 10 red chilies, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 small onion sliced, a small piece of ginger, maybe about half an inch, about 10 cloves of garlic, and a small ball of tamarind. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to a pan. First, roast the red chilies until they are nicely fried, then set them aside. In the same oil, add the sliced onions, garlic, ginger, and tamarind. Saute until the onions turn translucent. Once done, take them out and set them aside too. Finally, roast the coriander seeds and cumin seeds until fragrant, then set them aside. Once everything cools down, transfer all the ingredients to a mixer jar and grind into a coarse paste. Next, add half a grated coconut along with a pinch of turmeric and saute for about 3 minutes. Let's now dive into the next step of the cooking process, for which we will need 2 medium-sized onions sliced, 1 large tomato cut, 2 green chilies slit, and 1 kg of clean and cut crab. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, sliced onions, slit green chilies, and a few curry leaves, and saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute for about 1.5 minutes. After this, let's add the cut tomato and fry until they are soft and mushy. This takes about 2 or 3 minutes. Add half tablespoon of salt so that the tomato gets cooked faster. Next, add the crab and saute until the masala is evenly coated on it. Then cover the pan with the lid and cook the crab for about 5 minutes. Next, add the ground masala and mix well until it's evenly coated on the crab. Then cover the pan with a lid and cook it for another 5 minutes on medium flame. Finally, add the fried coconut and mix well. Now cook this mixture for another 5 minutes in low flame. Alright, so our crab sukka is ready to be served. It goes well with rice, dosa, idli, appam, and so on. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to A3M Kitchen. I'll be back soon with another delicious recipe. Until then, take care, tada, bye-bye, and thank you so much for watching.